Hi, my name is Sarnyai, new truck sales executive for Patterson-Cheney Trucks in Dandenong and Pakenham. Today we're going to take a look at the new Euro 6 Isuzu NPR Tradepack, the ideal truck for tradies, builders, landscapers or contractors, anyone looking for more capacity or more capabilities than your average ute. Starting at the front, the NPR features a new modern Isuzu design, as well as factory fitted bull bar, LED headlights and the new front grille. Inside the NPR we have excellent visibility through the front windscreen, as well as a practical interior design for the long days on the job. Featuring a 10.1 inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay compatibility, as well as media, navigation and hands-free connectivity right here at your fingertips. One of the biggest advantages of the NPR is its GVM rating. This one here is rated to 4.5 tonne, which means you can drive it on a standard car licence. There is the option to upgrade it to 6.5 tonne to increase your carrying capacity under the right licence. The NPR Tradepack, being part of the Ready-To-Work line, features an alloy tray pre-installed, as well as ladder racks, and also a 25 litre water tank with a soap dispenser. The drop-down sides can also be removed. At the rear of the truck, we feature a factory pre-installed tow bar, as well as 7-pin power plug, and also a factory installed reversing camera. Safety is also a key highlight, featuring Isuzu's latest driver assistance technology, which is available across the range, including features such as autonomous emergency braking, vehicle stability control, lane departure warning, and traffic sign recognition, helping to make each trip safer. So if you're in the market for a ready-to-work truck with more capabilities than the standard ute, please come see us at Patterson-Cheney Trucks in either Keysborough or Pakenham.